Hi, this is Colleen Bird. This is my assignment number 2. I chose to go in depth with the Achievement House Cyber Charter School. It's located in Exton, Pennsylvania. They're an accredited nonprofit charter school. Obviously, they're a cyber school. They take pride in being innovative, creative, and they are eager and willing to use the newest technology that's available to their students to help them succeed in the technology world that we live in. The school is tuition free. Like I said, it's a nonprofit. It serves students in grades 7 through 12. And then this is a link to be able to visit the school website. There's lots and lots of information that is helpful to learn more about the school on their website. This is a screenshot from their website, and it just talks a little bit about how that online learning isn't new, and they've done this for 16 years. This is another screenshot. It just talks a little bit more about the support that they give to the students to be successful in their path to graduation and even in their future, as well as being personal. They tend to be really engaged and have a lot of resources to have students have the best educational experience that they can get. And they're flexible. Their virtual classrooms are available 24/7 to meet the needs of all of their students and staff. The mission for the Achievement House Cyber Charter School is that the Achievement House Cyber Charter School students will experience an improved individual outcome measured by academic achievement in a personalized and rich learning environment that prepares them for success in a technology-driven world. So the school has many, many different staff. There is a lot of staff for this school. They, including teachers, homeroom coaches, mentors, school counselors, admin, there's support staff, there's nurses, and there is a social worker that's assigned to this school. This was a report that I found from 2020. It is the annual report for the school's school year. This is a little screenshot from it. It talks about the staff, and I'll just pull this up real quick. It has a lot of different information about money, about positions, and then just even more general information as well. This is another screenshot. It's from an article found on US News. It gives all the information about the school, including where it's ranked in Pennsylvania. And it talks about the minority of the students that are there. There's 41% students that fall within the minority category, and 60% of the students are economically disadvantaged. So there are a lot of low income students that attend Achievement House Charter School. They have an enrollment policy. The policy talks about how they do not discriminate. And then they have an attendance and a truancy policy. The truancy does get involved after in different steps. If there's 7 unexcused absences, it can lead to expulsion. So they the attendance policy is pretty strict at Achievement House. They have a parent family engagement policy. Their website talks a lot about how they take pride in like family engagement and having the families involved in the students' success in learning. And then there's a parent school compact, which I'll talk to more now. It's a home and school collaboration policy. It talks about the school's responsibilities as well as the parents and the students. Basically, it just states about what the school's responsibilities are about providing high quality curriculum and instruction, and basically keeping the parents up to date, as well as holding meetings to talk about their relation to Title I. The parent and the guardian responsibilities is more of monitoring and making sure that the students are accountable for their work. And the students' responsibilities are an average student. They need to complete their work. They should log in. They need to reach out to teachers as well as take assessments, and communicate with other people around the school. Like I said earlier, it serves students in grades 7 to 12. They offer special education and English language development. So for special ed, students are kept in the general education curriculum to the most extent possible. But sometimes they do need targeted instruction to support their IEP goals. So, the learning support teachers work with those students individually or in a small group to provide the instruction based on their needs. So with the English language development, the students are learning techniques to promote the different speaking and listening skills as well as reading and writing skills in English. They are a Title I school, which means that they receive Title I funds. They offer homelessness services. So that just means that depending on certain students' living situations, they can qualify for certain rights and protections under the federal McKinney-Vento Act. And the Student Assistance Program is it helps overcome learning barriers to continue for students to be able to continue their educational success. So it's a systematic team process used to mobilize school resources to remove those barriers of learning. Students that attend Achievement House Cyber School, they come from all different schools around Pennsylvania and all different school districts in Pennsylvania. They have many, many different course offerings. They offer a lot of different courses within each subject to encourage that creativity and encourage students to learn what they want to learn within those subjects. They offer extracurricular activities such as like sports and clubs. And they take pride in their flexible schedules. Students get to be able to work at their own pace. So this is a screenshot. This just talks about how the students can participate in schools, in sports and clubs, just like students that attend a traditional school district. So some clubs that they offer are a BU club, which is a cultural awareness club. They have a book club, a cooking club, a dance club, a debate club. They have National Honor Society. They have scrapbooking. They have a club about being a YouTuber, student council, a TikTok club. They offer clubs about that provide tips and tricks for landing a job after school. They have yoga. So there's so many different clubs that they offer, and Achievement House on their website they talk about being able to encourage students to come to them to start a club if there's something that they really want to get involved in. So here are just some screenshots from some student and parent input. This student that's in grade 11, his name is Ben. he really resonates with this school because he needs a flexible schedule to accommodate his needs for his love for playing hockey. And a ninth grade student, her dad wrote in a little review and talks about how it's a great option for her to be successful, and it's a safe environment for her, due to severe food allergies and some bullying that could be involved in a regular general classroom. This is a YouTube video. It is a quick video about what might a virtual class look like at Achievement House. So I'm just going to play like the first couple of seconds.
Live instruction at the Achievement House Cyber Charter School takes the form of virtual classrooms. Much as a physical classroom is ordered around a chalkboard, at its core, a virtual classroom is centered around a whiteboard. The whiteboard serves as the canvas for highly qualified teachers to deliver engaging lessons, which align to state and national standards for curriculum. But by itself, a whiteboard is a bit lacking. To serve our students best, we add audio and video so they can see and hear the teacher, and if the teacher allows it, each other.
So this is like a 13-minute video that could be offered for students that are looking to join Achievement House and be enrolled there, for them to be able to really see what a virtual class would look like before they got started. So it really caters to students' needs. So they offer live teaching, flexible schedules, they're certified online educators, and they have a large support team. I was unable to get in touch with them for interviews. I did try by phone. Their website talks about being able to contact by phone for information. But I called and left a message and no one answered. I also tried through email and a follow-up email, but was unsuccessful. So the school is innovative. They use new technology. It's nonprofit. They provide many different great opportunities for students and staff. There's a lot of positive feedback on their website from both students and parents. They offer a very large support group, from just student to student, student to teacher, counselor to student. There's all these different options that provide support for a successful learning environment for the students. And they have a lot of different ways to instruct to provide a lot of differentiation. And these were my references. Thank you for listening.